Want to build your Fairycore wardrobe, but you don't know where to start? I'm here to guide you through that. Today, we're stepping into the magical world of the Fairycore aesthetic. What it is, essential must-haves, and how to bring the aesthetic to life with accessories and dreamy makeup tips. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more glow-up tips, fashion insights, and appearance inspiration. Let's enter this enchanted forest together. Fairycore is all about capturing a soft, magical, otherworldly vibe. Think enchanted forests, wildflowers, morning mist, and butterflies. The aesthetic took root on Tumblr in the late 2010s, drawing inspiration from grunge, mythology, and old European folklore, especially Celtic, Nordic, and Germanic fairy tales. Unlike cottagecore's cozy, farm-like charm, Fairycore leans into the mystical side of nature. It's enchanting, a little eerie, and completely dreamy. More than just a fashion style, Fairycore is a whole lifestyle, collecting shiny trinkets, pressing wildflowers, foraging, crafting, and wandering through misty woods. It's all about slowing down, reconnecting with nature, and finding magic in the everyday. Fairycore fashion thrives in soft and dreamy pastels like lilac, sage green, dusty pink, and buttercream, mixed with grounded earthy tones like moss, bark brown, and stone gray. Basically, colors you'd find on a forest floor in springtime. When it comes to fabric textures, look for lace, tulle, chiffon, crochet, knits, embroidery, raw and lettuce hems, as well as worn-in vintage materials that feel like they have a story to tell. Now let's explore the essential pieces that define this ethereal style. Dresses should feel dreamy and ethereal. Think pastels, soft ruffles, and floral prints. Earthy tones like browns and greens also work beautifully. A paisley dress is a great option too. When it comes to bottoms, look for a white tiered midi skirt, asymmetrical hem skirts, and skirts with ruffles. For pants and shorts, stick to deep blues, blacks, greens, and beige. Tops are key. Focus on loose silhouettes with ruffles, milkmaid styles, unique designs, corsets, cardigans, and sweaters. Halter tops and tanks are great too. Layer with crochet tops, lace covers, cardigans, or open knit sweaters for depth. Shoes should have character. Opt for wilderness boots, closed-toe sandals, lace-up, or platform boots. For heels, choose pastel tones like sage green, beige, or soft pink, especially with embellishments or floral touches. Embroidered sneakers or brown Converse are also perfect. Accessories add the finishing touch. Think scarves, rip tights, headpieces, headphones, leather suitcases, bags, leg warmers, fingerless gloves, belts, newsboy caps, and decorative combs. Jewelry should echo nature. Look for insect wings, flowers, moons, butterflies, mushrooms, and acorns. Choose beaded necklaces, colorful rings, crystals, and layers of vibrant, eclectic pieces. When it comes to hair, go for soft, natural styles that look effortless and enchanted. Think loose waves, delicate braids, or messy buns with wispy strands. Add a hint of magic with hair accessories like flower crowns, ribbons, butterfly clips, or anything that feels straight out of a forest fairy tale. Fairycore makeup is all about looking natural, radiant, and a little otherworldly, like you just stepped out of a moonlit glade. Keep your base minimal and glowy and focus on blush to add a soft flush to the cheeks. To enhance the magical look, try glitter eyeshadow in pastel pinks, silvers, or soft greens. Don't forget mascara. Apply shimmer to the cheekbones and the inner corners of the eyes for a radiant glow, and add white eyeliner around the eyes, along with gemstones and other accessories for extra flair. Try faux freckles to create a sun-kissed woodland vibe, and finish the look with glossy pink lips. Fairycore thrives on mixing old and new, and thrifting is at the heart of it. Here are some places to start your hunt. Building a Fairycore wardrobe is a journey, a whimsical adventure filled with sparkly trinkets, thrifted treasures, and magical layers. Whether you start with a single milkmaid top or a pair of mushroom earrings, you're already one step closer to creating your own fairy tale in the real world. Thank you for watching. See you next time.